Last minute strategy again, I would say do not panic. Not panic at all. You have a lot of time. You should you should not let yourself feel okay, I've not started this or not. Keep yourself a little confident. Okay, I've done a lot. I've started the entire year, and I can do it now as well. And for that, again, I would say practice a lot of questions of the same type. And what I used to do was whenever I used to get free time, whenever I used to have lunch or breakfast, I used to take my short notes. I had made my inorganic short notes, 1 page notes for each chapter. That I used to study while I was having my food or when I wanted to take a break. And apart from that, I'd also made audio recordings of myself where I had studied inorganic chemistry. So sometimes I would go out for walk and listen to that.